에스겔 41장. 그가 나를 데리고 성문에 이르러 그 문벽을 측량하니 이쪽 두께도 6척이요 저쪽 두께도 6척이라. 두께가 그와 같으며 그 문 통로의 너비는 10척이요 문 통로 이쪽 벽의 너비는 5척이요 저쪽 벽의 너비는 5척이며 그가 성소를 측량하니 그 길이는 40척이요 그 너비는 20척이며 그 안으로 들어가서 내전 문 통로의 벽을 측량하니 두께는 2척이요 문 통로가 6척이요 문 통로의 벽의 너비는 각기 7척이며 그가 내전을 측량하니 길이는 20척이요 너비는 20척이라. 그가 내게 이르되 이는 지성소니라 하고 성전의 벽을 측량하니 두께가 6척이며 성전 3면에 골방이 있는데 너비는 각기 4척이며 골방은 3층인데 골방 위에 골방이 있어 모두 30이라. 그 3면 골방이 성전 벽 밖으로 그 벽에 붙어 있는데 성전 벽 속을 뚫지는 아니하였으며 이 두루 있는 골방은 그 층이 높아질수록 넓어지므로 성전에 둘린 이 골방이 높아질수록 성전에 가까워졌으나 성전의 넓이는 아래 위가 같으며 골방은 아래층에서 중층으로 위층에 올라가게 되었더라. 내가 보니 성전 3면의 지대 곧 모든 골방 및 지대의 높이는 한 장대 곧 큰 자로 6척인데 성전에 붙어있는 그 골방 바깥벽 두께는 5척이요 그 외에 빈터가 남았으며 성전 골방 3면의 너비가 20척 되는 뜰이 둘러있으며 그 골방 문은 다 빈터로 향하였는데 한 문은 북쪽으로 향하였고 한 문은 남쪽으로 향하였으며 둘러있는 빈터의 너비는 5척이더라. 서쪽 뜰 위에 건물이 있는데 너비는 70척이요 길이는 90척이며 그 사방 벽의 두께는 5척이더라. 그가 성전을 측량하니 길이는 100척이요 서쪽 뜰과 그 건물과 그 벽을 합하여 길이는 100척이요 성전 앞면의 너비는 100척이요 그 앞 동쪽을 향한 뜰의 너비도 그러하며 그가 뒷뜰 너머 있는 건물을 측량하니 그 좌우편 회랑까지 100척이더라. 내전과 외전과 그 뜰의 현관과 문 통로 벽과 닫힌 창과 3면에 둘러있는 회랑은 문 통로 안쪽에서부터 땅에서 창까지 널판자로 가렸고 문 통로 위와 내전과 외전의 사방 벽도 다 그러하니 측량한 크기대로며 넓은 자에는 그룹들과 종려나무를 새겼는데 두 그룹 사이에 종려나무 한 그루가 있으며 각 그룹에 두 얼굴이 있으니 하나는 사람의 얼굴이라 이쪽 종려나무를 향하였고 하나는 어린 사자의 얼굴이라 저쪽 종려나무를 향하였으며 온 성전 사방이 다 그러하며 땅에서부터 문통로 끝까지 그룹들과 종려나무들을 새겼으니 성전벽이 다 그러하더라. 외전 문설주는 네모졌고 내전 벽면에 있는 양식은 이러하니 곧 나무 대단히 높이는 3척이요 길이는 2척이며 그 모퉁이와 옆과 면을 다 나무로 만들었더라. 그가 내게 이르되 이는 여호와의 앞의 상이라 하더라. 내전과 외전에 각기 문이 있는데 문마다 각기 두 문짝 곧 접는 두 문짝이 있어 이 문에 2짝이요 저 문에 2짝이며 이 성전문의 그룹과 종려나무를 새렸는데 벽에 있는 것과 같고 현관 앞에는 나무 디딤판이 있으며 현관 좌우편에는 닫힌 창도 있고 종려나무도 새겨져 있고 성전의 골방과 디딤판도 Ezekiel 41. And the man brought me to the outer sanctuary and measured the gems. The width of the gems was 6 cubits on each side. The entrance was 10 cubits wide, and the walls on each side of it were 5 cubits wide. He also measured the outer sanctuary. It was 40 cubits long and 20 cubits wide. Then he went into the inner sanctuary and measured the gems of the entrance. Each was 2 cubits wide. The entrance was 6 cubits wide, and the projecting walls on each side of it were 7 cubits wide. And he measured the length of the inner sanctuary. It was 20 cubits, and its width was 20 cubits across the end of the outer sanctuary. He said to me, "This is the most holy place." Then he measured the wall of the temple. It was 6 cubits thick, and each side room around the temple was 4 cubits wide. Side rooms were on 3 levels, one above another, 30 on each level. There were ledges all around the wall of the temple, to serve as supports for the side rooms. The supports were not inserted into the wall of the temple. Side rooms all around the temple were wider at each successive level. The structure surrounding the temple was built in ascending stages, so that the rooms widened as one went upward. A stairway went up from the lowest floor to the top floor through the middle floor. I saw that the temple had a raised base all around it, forming the foundation of the side rooms. It was the length of the rod 6 long cubits. The outer wall of the side rooms was 5 cubits thick. The open area between the side rooms of the temple and the priests' rooms was 20 cubits wide all around the temple. There were entrances to the side rooms from the open area, one on the north and another on the south, and the base adjoining the open areas was 5 cubits wide all around. The building facing the temple courtyard on the west side was 70 cubits wide. The wall of the building was 5 cubits thick all around, and its length was 90 cubits. Then he measured the temple. It was 100 cubits long, and the temple courtyard and the building with its walls were also 100 cubits long. The width of the temple courtyard on the east, including the front of the temple, was 100 cubits. Then he measured the length of the building facing the courtyard at the rear of the temple, including its galleries on each side. It was 100 cubits. The other sanctuary, the inner sanctuary, and the portico facing the court, as well as the threshold, and the narrow windows and galleries around the three of them, everything beyond and including the threshold was covered with wood. The floor of the wall up to the windows, and the windows were covered. And the space above the outside of the entrance to the inner sanctuary, and on the walls at regular intervals all around the inner and outer sanctuary, were carved cherubim and palm trees. Palm trees alternated with cherubim. Each cherub had 2 faces, the face of a man toward the palm tree on one side, and the face of a lion toward the palm tree on the other. They were carved all around the whole temple. From the floor to the area above the entrance, cherubim and palm trees were carved on the wall of the outer sanctuary. The outer sanctuary had a rectangular doorframe, and the one at the front of the most holy place was similar. There was a wooden altar 3 cubits high and 2 cubits square. Its corners, its base, and its sides were of wood. The man said to me, "This is the table that is before the Lord." Both the outer sanctuary and the most holy place had double doors. Each door had 2 leaves, 2 hinged leaves for each door. On the doors of the outer sanctuary were carved cherubim and palm trees like those carved on the walls. There was a wooden overhang on the front of the portico. On the side walls of the portico were narrow windows with palm trees carved on each side. The side rooms of the temple also had overhangs.